Just showing my new truck. Not really new, I've had it a few months, but I had a sneaker truck and I switched to a little record. Some of the sneaker units are okay, but for the most part, if you're towing anything that's got a little bit of weight, I had a lot of problems with the airbags, my load bouncing up and down. I really couldn't even drive the speed limit with the airbags turned up pretty high, and the super springs and the reinforced frame. I did it all, and you can move around a lot better with this thing, I think, but weasel in and out of places, but you lose your stealthiness. Dynamic 601 on a 350. Eventually put it on a 450. See the inside. Nothing special. Backup camera. Lift, go jacks, dollies.